Hello, good day. My name is Hassan and I'm Forex Optim Broker Financial Analyst. Well, I'm back again to bring you all some of the updates once again that will keep you informed about what's going on in the financial markets. First of all, I would like to talk about retail traders that were usually treated as a punching bag at Wall Street now become almost a deadly power for hedge funds, making a short squeeze chaos in the markets. Wall Street's Bets and Satoshi Street Bets Reddit groups 4 million followers are attacking shots of institutional investors, making them suffer. Some hedge funds have lost billions of dollars in a short squeeze massacre against the crowd. The brightest example was we saw that GME, GameStop, and Ordinary Gaming and Gaming Consoles offline store. Its share skyrocketed more than 1500% in 2 weeks, making it a number one share in US. Russell 3000 Small Market Cap Index. So, moreover, shares of Australian mining company GME Resources Limited with the same ticker GME soared 60% with trading volume 2,000% above 3 months average. From investment point of view, GameStop is a clear outsider that was of nobody's interest in pandemic turmoil. This is why hedge funds like Melbourne Capital, Citron were in short positions on these stocks. Fundamentally justified, Wise deal became one of those innocents as army of private traders from Reddit over through shots of the institutional investors. Hedge funds were forced to initiate a sell-off in the broad stock market to cover their losses, making S&P 500 index to decline by 3.6% just in one day. Many retail brokers have banned new trades in GME stocks, forcing investors to close only their positions. After this baseless forced sell-offs, investors were buying out dips in some of the most injured stocks on Thursdays. The S&P 500 broad market index recovered some of the losses, rising above 3,800 points. Now, it is not clear whether this is a real correction in the market or it is over now, and we could expect new highs. Oil market is much less heated in this regard as Brent crude benchmark prices were bouncing from the resistance of over $56 per barrel drop this week, providing many sell opportunities. We may expect these opportunities to remain on Friday as well. However, it could be wise not to use this resistance anymore and wait for developments in Brent crude prices next week. When we talk about gold prices are squeezed in the area of $1,800 to $1,880 per troy ounce, waiting for a trigger to break out of this range. The best scenario for gold prices is to drop around $1,650 to $1,700 levels. But it is premature for the scenario to become a reality on Friday. So we have to look at the next week developments in this regard. The last but not the least, the situation in the FX market is in correlation with the chaos on Wall Street this week. The euro is gravitating to 1.21500 level versus the greenback despite positive GDP data in the United States. We expect neutral price dynamic in this pair. The cable is above 1.3700 with a high volatility within 1.36800 to 1.37600 range. So traders may use opportunities to sell and buy close to these margins. The Japanese yen is losing its strength against the dollar by 0.8% this week, and any levels close to 105.2 would be a great opportunity to open sell positions. Thank you very much for listening, and this is all for today. I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.